Welcome. This is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, the market's taking its first significant down day in quite a little while with a disappointing consumer sentiment number. And we've seen about a 1% pullback in the S&P 500. Really not the sort of action you'd think of. A lot of people are taking this opportunity to sell option premiums on a moderate little bump. Asking people around the floor who trade equity options, they're seeing continued trades on their bids, not really much of a bump or a desire for protection here in the market. In the VIX, we're seeing the same thing. Big trade today was the April 24-32 risk reversal. So what the customer did here was bought those April 24 puts, sold the 32.5 call, paid $1.75. They were taking advantage of perhaps a 50-cent bump that the April future saw today, getting a chance to buy some of that downside put, hoping that we move lower on the April future, paying off below 22.25. Seen a lot of similar plays all the way out in August, where people think the VIX won't be moving around quite as much as it's been indicating. People selling the August 25 call, sizing up the bid on the 22 call, on the 30 call. Just a lot of pressure downward. A lot of people want to sell this bump in the VIX because the VIX has been trending downward so hard from 27 to 20 that they think this is a momentary bump moving back downwards. Not necessarily the case, but that's what the option trading has been. We've seen the lone buyer we've really seen is of the March 25 calls. Buyer bought them buying the March 25, 30, 35 call butterfly that traded yesterday for 30 and 32.5. Buyer came back today and paid 35. So those March 25s have had buyers throughout the day. Elsewhere, we are really seeing sellers of the upside. This is Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1 Option Monitor.